Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by adjusting the driver's seat and steering column. Aim for comfort and control. Position your chest roughly 3.5 inches from the steering wheel so your arms have a slight bend and your knees clear the dash. Check tire pressure at 32 psi, inspect tires visually, and confirm fuel is premium 91 octane when required. Set mirrors for minimal blind spots and program your driver profile to save seat, mirror, and steering column positions for quick recall before you pull out onto the road. With your foot on the brake, press the keyless start button and confirm the transmission is in park or neutral. If you have an automatic, shift to drive and apply smooth throttle pressure to prevent torque surges. Engage sport mode only for responsive throttle and firmer shifts when needed. For manual transmissions, release the clutch smoothly and upshift before 3,000 RPM to balance efficiency and acceleration. Downshift into corners early around 2,500 to 3,000 RPM to keep the engine in its optimal power band and maintain stability. When handling corners, approach at a controlled speed and complete braking in a straight line before turn-in. This preserves balance and traction. Apply progressive braking with steady pressure. ABS intervenes at maximum force, but smooth inputs improve control and reduce weight transfer. Use gentle steering inputs and allow the BMW's chassis and adaptive suspension to settle for comfortable body control. For parking, rely on sensors or camera. Place the transmission in park and engage the electronic parking brake before exiting. Leave the car in your driver profile for easy restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.